In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use the stacked cycle record mode. Sometimes when you're working with live musicians, such as singers, guitarists, or saxophonists, they may want to create an improvised solo section by playing round and round over the same 8 or 16 bar backing. In doing this, they'll create lots of versions of their improvisation, which can then be comped together to make a perfect take. What you really want is for each of these different takes of the solo to be recorded on a separate lane within a track. What the musicians don't want to do is to record one take and stop and then start again. They want it to be a continuous process to allow them to keep the creativity flowing. Cubase has a very neat feature called the stacked cycle record mode, and this can be used with both audio and MIDI recording. In the transport bar, click on the cycle mode and choose stacked. Then set up your left and right locators around the number of bars in which you want to create an improvisation. In this situation, I've got a 4-bar drum pattern, and I'm going to set this between bars 1 and bar 5. Then turn on the cycle mode in the transport bar. Now go to the track and click on the lane display type, and make sure that this is set up to select lanes to auto. This means that when you create each lap of the stack cycle recording, it will create a new lane within the track. Once you've done this, make sure that the pre-count is turned on, get ready to record, and simply hit record on the transport bar. And so forth. Each lap contains the notes from a different take of the improvised solo. In this situation, I've created 7 laps, of which the first 6 are complete improvisations, and the 7th lap just contains the first couple of upbeat notes. If you want to listen to just one lap, simply use the mute tool and unmute the one that you want to listen to. Here's lap 6. And so forth. And if I wanted to now listen to lap number 2, I could do this and click play. So all I need to do now is to use the scissors tool and to start to cut up each lap and select which phrases I'm going to use within my comped final perfect version. This is stack cycle record mode, really useful for both audio and MIDI for capturing lots and lots of takes of the same improvised solo from which you can create a perfect take.